Hi, Salam, I'm ViVi, and in this channel, I share luxury travel reviews and tips to help you plan your next adventure. In this video, I will give you a full room tour of our suite at the Shangri-La Tokyo. We just arrived in Tokyo and we were immediately noticed how well organized and clean the city is. One thing that I hadn't not expected was just how green it is. There is so many beautiful green spaces woven through the city. We checked into the Shangri-La Tokyo, and even though I have read a few reviews saying it felt outdated, that couldn't be farther from the truth. It is elegant, warm, and absolutely beautiful. We stayed in an executive suite with a king bed and a sofa bed for the kids, and they provide a crib for our baby, which isn't always available in Japan, as co-sleeping is more common here. I was so grateful they had one ready for us, and they gave our baby a mini welcome gift. So cute and thoughtful. Since we arrived at night, we didn't see the view until morning, and oh my goodness, we had a corner unit with panoramic city views. It honestly took my breath away. It was the perfect way to start our Tokyo adventure. Let me show you around. At the entrance, there's chic beverage station with Nespresso, one of my favorites, plus drinks, snacks, and the sweetest little chocolate treats as a welcome gift. In the main living area, there's a comfy sofa, a dining table, and a beautiful orchid. And waiting for us, a welcome amenity that included a full movie night set for the kids, popcorn, Japanese snacks, and the kids had their own TV. It was such a thoughtful, family-friendly touch that made us feel right at home. Closet space was generous too, with rugs, slippers, a safe, everything we needed to settle in comfortably. The bathroom was spacious and gorgeous, with a lit vanity mirror and magnified side mirror for makeup or skincare. Of course, the highlight was the high-tech Japanese toilet, which had a heated seat, smart sensors, and all the features. Total game changer. The rainfall shower felt amazing after a long flight, and there was a deep soaking tub. And in the next videos, I will be showing you the amazing breakfast and give you a full hotel review, including whether it's worth staying here. One of my favorite features from the Shangri-La is this adorable amenity kit in a red bag packed with mini L'Occitane products. So cute. We also found extra bags filled with classic amenities, and what really stood out is that everything is replenished daily. For example, if you open a toothbrush box or a hair band is stocked the next day. No need to ask. That level of care made us feel thoroughly looked after. Finally, the main bedroom, serene, stylish, and with the same incredible view. Watching the sunrise from bed was magical. And fun fact, a fire here was at 2:45 a.m. during the summer in full sunlight by 4:45. It is wild but beautiful. This suite ranges from $1,800 to $2,000 per night, including taxes, depending on the season. It is definitely a luxury experience, but one incredible grateful for. Let me know if you have any questions. I can't wait to show you more of this hotel and this city. I would love to give you a full tour of the breakfast buffet at the Shangri-La Tokyo,